Didi is an eloquent speaker. Her depth of knowledge and art of meditation has helped and sustained more than thousands of students worldwide. Didi, we heard you were traveling, but your Sikha for the Sindhi community has pulled you here to be with us. Sikh. Sorry, my Sindhi's not great. Didi Mohini's strong will and determination for world transformation is what attracted me to this path of spirituality. Excuse me. Asan dil se tuanjo swagat kayu tha. I would like to ask Siana Dolani to come and present flowers to our Didi.
You are from where?
New York. New York.
Thank you. Let us have few minutes of silence and then we can. Om Shanti. Everyone say Om Shanti. Once more. Om Shanti. Which language we are talking? English, Hindi, I don't know Sindhi much, but English? How many of you are here first time? Because we used to have Sindhi retreat, no? Yogi Bhai from New Jersey used to bring during Julelal days, But it's after COVID, I think it's few years now. How many of you are happy at this time? Everyone, wow. How many of you remain happy all the time? Okay, most of the time. Most of the time is okay, but not all the time. You know the reason? No. No, I always say in Hindi, we say khush ho. No, we say khush ho. In Sindhi, they say razi ho. What is razi? Contentment. So happiness has a lot of connection with contentment. फिर कहते हैं मौज में हो, खुश हो, राजी हो, मौज में हो. Huh? Chak ho, chak. Chak is good, but joyful, you know. Chak means okay, right? Khush hai ho. No, in Sindhi too, some are from Hyderabad, some from Karachi, some are Larkana, some different places, right? Lahore. I mean, I have heard that word, but not much. मौज में हो? Are you enjoying? Yes? That's very good. So you are happy, you are content, and you are enjoying, right? Whatever, if I am happy, then what do I create? There was one person I met, and the way he was introduced to me, it was in South America. I used to go regularly to Argentina, so he's a very famous journalist. And you know what journalists have to do is always share news, and what are good news? Creating more fear of violence and conflict and scarcity and so he would never smile. They say he hasn't smiled for 30 years. This is why when they took me and I'm meeting, he's a kind of elderly person. And you know, with us BKs, we always smile. Somebody asked her, what is there for you all to smile? What is good in the world that you're smiling? I said, because we're not looking at this world. We want to create a world of peace and happiness, so we have to smile. So when I went, we spent an hour, we talked, and because my background is also journalism, so we were sharing, but I was very light, and how can you be happy, he's asking me. So there are two ways, if we want to be constantly happy. See, one happiness is inner, which comes from within. It could be nature, it could be how you see outside things, how you see things within you, in others, and also in the world. And second is we are depending on happiness. Like if I get this, I am happy. I got these beautiful flowers, I am happy. I have a very big house, I am happy. My happiness is depending on external sources, and which can never be consistent because it's not only they are not consistent, but there is kind of fear of losing. A few years ago, I was in Hong Kong, many years ago, actually, when I was young. I used to go very often, and a young woman, I don't want to mention name, even she is very known, about 26, came to learn meditation. Said, why you want to learn meditation? They were bankers and like very, very wealthy women. She said, because all the time I think about will I be able to keep them for all life? Will they remain with me or not? All that prosperity. I said, but enjoy. You have everything. But the fear of if I don't have. So she learned meditation and she is with us since 40, 50 years now. She is an older woman. So you have, then still like you cannot enjoy. It's really किसी किसी के भाग्य में, in very few people's fortune, धन का सुख भी सब नहीं ले सकते. Very few are able to take. It's not question of lavishly spending. That is the joy. But young people do that, right? One mother came yesterday and said, he just got job and he bought a watch, $6,000. He doesn't know what's money. I said, he will know after a few years. He just got job, let him, he bought it. So it's like, whether it is inner wealth, whether it is external wealth, or what is more important is what attitude, what fortune I have, so that the joy is such a beautiful word, prosperity. But there is another word called generosity. So happiness is a kind of, it goes and comes like a mercury, drops off, goes up. Yeah. So you have to look, because am I dependent on, my happiness is always on certain external sources. It's okay. After a long time we have seen the retreat, we want you all to be happy, right? So when they were creating menu, I said, can we create something which they have never eaten? No, they want curry, they want dal pakwan. I said, I can create a menu. It could be Spanish mix, it could be beautiful salads, it could be... No, they want that. I said, but this is what I would have done. To give them something which they haven't eaten. And also tasty, not like without salt or without sugar. Depends, right? How we see it. So I give you 3 things now. And look into that whenever you find either your happiness is, your energy level is reducing little. Because you know that to keep children happy, grandchildren happy, or your parents and grandparents happy, first you have to be happy. One thing I liked was, when you have grandchildren, you have to run, right, with them. You have to laugh with them. The way you have to talk like you are a child, right? If you talk like a big person, you won't be happy, right? A child won't be happy, so you talk like a child. So there are certain things which are, they influence, they create atmosphere, they create vibrations. And one is happiness. Like one of the, they say, United States of Anxiety. Not USA, United States of Anxiety, because young people, students, older, lot of anxiety. Tension is different, it's visible. Anxiety is which makes you nervous, which your heartbeat increases, and it's very deep, right? We don't want to be in that, right? It's not good for heart, it's not good for body. Not only that, but all those around us. Let's say sometimes it does happen, your body is not well and you are in anxiety. But your doctor, your nurses, your helpers, your family, they are affected. So how can they serve you? When I go to clinic, then my doctor says, you have to pray for me. I said, I have to pray for all of you. If I have to be served well, I have to pray for you. Oh, she said, that's a good idea. I said, my people around me are nervous and anxiety, so how will they properly treat me? So somehow or other, one of the very important formula which we have adopted in Brahma Kumaris, always think good about and of everyone. There is not a single person in the world who won't have 98% good qualities, but 2 weaknesses or deficiencies. But majority of the people, when they sit, they talk about those 2. She's like that, he's like that, this one is like that. Even if you see 98 defects, there must be at least 2 qualities, right? If I can always find those 2 good qualities of each one, including myself. So you are connecting with goodness. I am not connecting with whatever negative weaknesses, deficiency, and that's your property. My property, your connection with me, is because I love you because of these 2 qualities. I really love you because you have these specialities. Can we do that? Show hands, can you do that? Just 2 qualities, good. Is it easy to find or no? So today your homework after this will be, wherever you sit, whichever table you sit, each one find 2 qualities of each one. Possible? That will be your conversation, not about food, not about someone sitting in India. Amongst yourself, you will have a conversation and a chat, 2 good qualities. No, that is called positive thinking. Happiness depends on thoughts. Thoughts have vibrations. Vibrations create atmosphere. You enter a home, you can immediately know what kind of family, what will be their relationships because of the vibration. You come here, it's a completely different vibration. Same trees, same everything. You can go in any garden, but you won't find those vibrations because the thoughts and of course word and actions, but what is most important, the seed of everything is your seed, your thought, then is attitude. I remember that when our founder father Brahma Baba left this physical body, so when I was like about 20, maybe even 18 or 20 years old, so 20 of us were called that now we have to take more responsibility, we will have to be more. I was in Delhi and our Mount Abu, as you know, is our main place. So we were there. So our senior Didi, Manmohini, Gopi, she is from Chennai, family from Singapore. You know what is this? It's called traffic control. So traffic of the mind, stop, still. Om Shanti. 12 noon is not very good time for concentration, right? So I'm trying to keep it light and interactive, right? You all okay? Alert? Yeah. Because I can understand since morning, yesterday, Friday, and then Saturday is a day. But we will try, remain awake. So she told me, Didi Manmohini, that each one of you have to tell your two skills or specialties or qualities. They all are different. Virtue, like have patience, you have compassion, or you are kind, is a virtue, right? Oh, I'm so special, I can do this, I can arrange flowers or something special. And skills could be something higher. You are an IT person, or like I had certain subjects which I could help with. So each one of you find two qualities of yours. So I said, but why? I can't tell us. It's others have to tell. You need to know yourself. It's not ego, it's self-respect. That I also can offer something. not ego. I can also offer something somewhere for good cause. Because we all are volunteers in the world to volunteer and offer something, right? You know, in Brahma Kumaris, everything what happens. People who come and help us in cooking, we don't have to pay. They are they seva bhav, what call in Sindhi, seva, sheva. And two qualities of others. And third is whatever is happening around me. Something I am seeing which is not very good, let's say accident. Oh, car is completely gone, but people are okay. Very good. Will we say that or no? Or we will cry for car? If it were people, we can imagine. Always see whatever happened, there is something good in that. Kuch bhala hai. So don't allow the sadness or depression or anything, annoyance, irritation, upset, to happen by that situation. First thing you see is very bad, but what is good in that bad? You pick up that. We have a brother, she is also Sindhi, in Global Cooperation House in London. He's kind of aged now, but his eyes had been weak. So once he said to me, in the body there are 280 organs, only my two are not good. And that's way he walks on his own. Still he is kind of managing big projects, which he always did as a volunteer. Because after business, I always say, our Baba used to say, Dadi, भाई दाल रोटी है ना, फिर क्या? फिर क्यों बड़ी ढोते हो? So many say we have enough, we have house, we have car, grandchildren, everyone has job. Let me do seva somewhere. So he had offered, and his wife, both of them, they will come few hours and do whatever they could. And you know, Sindhi community has best quality is of seva. So whatever is happening around you, don't be immediately react upset or why this happened, what is this now? Just go. It is happening, it's a scene in drama. But there is still something good I can see in that too. Am I making it clear? Yes. Three things, right? First in yourself, then in others, and then in the situation. These are the three, main things we have to deal with. First is my own inner self, is lot. What your mind thinks, the way it thinks, what's the approach, opinions, like it's a whole world inside, right? Inner world sometimes is creating outer. Even we blame outer for inner. Inner world creates outer world. क्या करें, always talk about situations, always talk about circumstances, ये हो गया अभी क्या करें? Until you keep saying क्या करें, there is no solution. Stop thinking. Look at something what is right, good in that. You will find a solution. It is only when you are positive that solution comes. Never a negative energy. More questions, more problems. And positive is to see good, to see equality, to see a virtue. And you will see how your happiness is becoming more consistent. Some people think it's too selfish to be happy. Then world is not happy. We go to Mount Abu annually. We select a topic for the whole year. So this year I was also there in the meeting. Over 5,000 teachers from India. What topic? So spiritual empowerment for healthy and happy society. So one very strong speaker said, no happiness, there's no happiness. I said, but we have to create it, right? So then they came up with healthy, clean society. That means you have clean mind, clean, everything clean. And you know that Brahma Kumaris worldwide are known for their cleanliness. You know that, you can see that. So formula for happiness is always look at something positive in everyone and everything. Always find something positive. It might not look positive, but find something positive in yourself, in others, and everything. Okay, sounds okay? Try it for a week or 2 weeks. You can send your experience to Peace Village or our website. You will feel whole world different. Not only that, but inner strength. Because what happens that energy drops like mercury. Some days suddenly you find you're not very enthusiastic. Today you're not in the right mood. Today you are not. It does happen. If not whole day, maybe during day once in a while. So how do I uplift? How do I empower myself? So it's a very, very beautiful way to look at the life, because I saw you all walking around in the morning. You like it, right? It's very, very good to be around nature. If you don't have at the back your garden or yard, go out somewhere. And second important attitude which you said is attitude of gratitude. Am I thankful in my life? Forget about diamonds and gold. If you don't get grains, if you don't have rain, these 5 elements, the body is from there and they sustain body. You cannot eat gold, right? You need a cup of rice, right? You cannot artificially produce it. What happened in Dubai? You reach to a very scientific achievement, but if you overuse even little bit, you know what happened in Dubai? Because of what? That means even we have air condition, we need it, we have heating, we need it, but it's not necessarily very good for the body. But the fresh air, can you create fresh air? So when you walk in the nature, be thankful and look at them not only because, oh, it's nice, the colors and everything, beauty of it. That is good, because somewhere more you connect with nature, not only gratitude of attitude, but humility, which is the most important quality is to be humble. Humility. What for what I have ego of? Yes, you can have ego as if your life is being spent for serving. I remember when I was even here in New York, now is big centers, but every afternoon at 5 I will come, like to water the grass every time. I take the hose and I enjoy it so much. Do something in nature. Whenever your energy is low, do some what we call karma yoga. Do some activity, do some action. Not just, oh, I'm so bored, turn on television. Go out and do something. Go and walk a little bit or exercise or go and appreciate nature. Because nature, green color, evergreen, green, the whole world is talking about evergreen. But first let me, through my eyes, and take it, enjoy it, not only that, take benefit. How many of you go for walk every day? Wow. Walk or exercise, something. Because we have to. Maybe miss a meal once in a week or once a day. Yeah? Not fasting from necessarily a religious point of view, but resting for your system. Rest is important, right? So appreciation of what we have been given will increase your attitude of gratitude. It might be happening still in some family. I was brought up in extended family, grandfather, this. So every morning, every night, they will put a pot of grains, water. Because in Delhi, we were very near Yamuna river. So the birds, lot of birds in the morning, parrots will come in hundreds. So my grandfather will put a pot of grains for them. So they eat, drink water, then they go. Like here we have migration of animals, right? In winter, animals go in different places and their location, and then they go back to their destination. So fox will pass and birds will pass and this. So our gardener before was an English woman. So there are like deer, they will eat all berries and everything. She said, but that's their share. What's the problem? That's their share. She will have for anything we say. This is spoiled, this is happening. She said, but that's their share. So this whole, what I use the word generosity with prosperity is very important. And that generosity with prosperity only comes when you have attitude of gratitude. Now what will this bring is the other virtue which I said after Khushi was, what did I say? Khushi? Khush? Razi. And you said contentment. So contentment comes from that generosity, not from prosperity. Khush honge aayega. When you are generous, you are razi. Internally you feel so good that I am sharing. Our Dadi Janki used to say, care, share and inspire. That was her slogan. Care, share and inspire. So with this attitude of gratitude when we live in life, हम सदा राजी हैं. ऑलवेज कंटेनमेंट। अगर राजी नहीं है तो क्या है? नाराजगी है। किस बात की नाराजगी है? क्यों नाराज हो जाते हैं जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी? नाराजगी इज पार्ट ऑफ एंगर, राइट? ये खुश नहीं है, बहुत नाराज है। भाई क्या हो गया? हैं? खुश नहीं है। क्यों खुश नहीं है? नाराज है। नाराज है इसलिए दुखी है, मौज में नहीं है। हम्म? तो राजी रहने के लिए क्या करना है? एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड बी हम्बल। You have your own share. Nobody can take it. Nobody. कोई किसी का भाग्य खा नहीं सकता है, न ले सकता। My fortune is my fortune. So what I have to do is to create fortune and don't keep eye on anyone's fortune. आपका भी है, हमारा भी है। Let's share what you have. My fortune is I got this treasure. Your fortune, you must have got some. राजी, नो नाराजगी। होता है कोई कोई कभी कभी नाराज होते हैं, कभी कभी। या अपसेट। कौन अपसेट होता है? क्योंकि आप सेट नहीं है, राइट? हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं सेट रहो। जैसे आपने आई हर्ड यू हैड लेसन ऑन सोल। सोल यहाँ पर है ब्रिकुटी में। आई एम सोल सीटेड ऑन द सीट ऑफ फोरहेड। सेट रहो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट में। 7 क्वालिटीज ऑफ द सेल्फ। 7 गुण होते हैं आत्मा के। भूमि बहन, भूमि बहन, कौन से 7 गुण होते हैं? आ जाओ। नॉलेज पहले, प्योरिटी, पीस, हैप्पीनेस, लव, ब्लिस एंड पावर। लिखा भाई? भूमि जरा माइक पे बताओ ठीक से। आ जाओ इधर, आ सामने आ जाओ। भूमि बहन मेरे साथ, she lives with me for 21 years. So whenever I don't remember 7, I call her. बोलो।
Knowledge, ज्ञान, then purity, पवित्रता, peace, शांति, happiness, सुख, love, प्रेम, bliss, आनंद, and shakti, it's power.
7 qualities of the soul. तो जिस समय ना अपसेट हो ना, मतलब आप सीट छोड़ रहे हैं अभी। नहीं, जैसे यहाँ भी लोग अपसेट होते हैं तो सीट से उठते हैं। कई तो खड़े भी हो जाते हैं, कई तो सामने आके आर्ग्यू भी करने लगते हैं, राइट? और बढ़ता जाता है, बढ़ता जाता है। पर जब अंदर होने लगे ना, व्हेन स्टार्ट हैपनिंग, अंदर होने लगे तो क्या करो? एक गुण ले लो कोई भी। आई एम पीसफुल, आई एम लवफुल, I am powerful, knowledgeful, whatever I say. This is 7 eternal, original qualities of a soul, every soul. By reminding, you reclaim them. Just remind yourself. What is meditation? It's just reminding yourself, I am a peaceful soul. I am a peaceful soul. And then when you find that your energy is now getting disturbed, I am a loveful soul. For some people you really can't love them, maybe because for them especially say, I am loveful, you are loveful. Not only I am loveful, but that soul also is originally loveful, but because of something at this moment is not love. Who doesn't have 7 qualities? Every one of you. Yeah? Each one of you have 7 qualities. But when you know that you are a soul, when you are in body conscious, I am father, why this one doesn't listen to me? I am auntie, this one must do that. You are in body consciousness. But when you are in soul consciousness, everyone, so what I have done in my life, I was, as I said, 16, 17 when I started. And then, at that time, Omanli, they just came from Pakistan, but some or other my family knew them. So we were helping them. But they didn't know Hindi, they didn't know many things, right? So we used to help them, take them, travel, or whatever way. So when there is a situation which is not very good, pleasant, and we are traveling, looking at that person, I'm seeing that he is not, seems to be very good vibrant. You are very loveful soul. You are very, do with child, experiment with child. Once there was 2 children sitting in front while I was giving lecture and they were making and I keep saying, you are peaceful. You are very peaceful. You are loveful. And they got stopped. So instead of saying, why are you like this? Stop it. You cannot do it. Doesn't work temporarily. Who are you to tell me these days, right? So do it with others also, right? For yourself, and who is making you upset for that one also. You are the one, the cause. One of the formula in life to be happy is nor blame yourself nor others. Don't blame anyone for it. It had to happen. Let's find out what the solution instead of blaming and keep increasing that kind of animosity or whatever. This will work, this will help. I am peaceful, you are also peaceful. And then God, you are ocean of peace, so we all connect with you. You are ocean, you are unlimited, you are 2 qualities of God, unlimited and bestower, always gives. I don't know how I knew since childhood that God never takes, He gives. But then there are karmas, so it's only when I give I will get, right? For Draupadi there is a story, right? If she wouldn't have taken out a piece from her sari and tied on Krishna's finger, she wouldn't have got saris after saris. You know that story, right? Because there are 2 things. There is God and we are in the universe. Soul in the matter, that means action. Soul is in the body, that is action. Karma, what we call, right, in Hindi. So as whatever I do, as you sow, so you reap. Nobody, even God cannot break it. That's a universal law. As you sow. Means some people have questioned why even bad people flourish, why even... But that's another story. But as you sow, so you reap. Jaisa karoge, वैसा पाओगे. So even God cannot interfere. So that is why I say Bhagya and Bhagwan, 2 very powerful in the life. You keep pleasing God maybe because seva or donation or, but if you still do wrong actions, He can't help you. That means you will give and get lost. You will get and lost. It's karma is playing and God is playing. And I want both on my side, right? Do you all want both? Yes or no? If you say yes, I know you are awake. Otherwise, I might feel you are not here. So, fortune, bhagya, and Bhagwan. Bhagya is always, I have to create. If someone is very needy, I help. You can throw a big party and give whatever you want. But if someone is very thirsty, when we used to travel to Mount Abu, you all know that we don't eat anywhere, we are very disciplined with our food. So we carry our tiffin and a bottle of water. So sometimes there are children in the train or so Dadi Prakashmani used to say, thoda jyada liya karo. Carry little extra water, carry little extra food. If a child is looking at you and you eating, why they wrap the cloth on the bottle of a child, no? While feeding milk? ये नजर नहीं लगनी चाहिए. सो राजी रहो, खुश रहो. दूसरा रहेंगे ना राजी. बहुत अच्छा. ये कैसे है? बहुत ही अच्छा है. नहीं भी अच्छा होगा ना तो भी हो जाएगा. खुश रहो, राजी रहो. तीसरा मैंने क्या कहा था? मौज में रहो. अब मौज में कैसे रहें? किस किस को गाना आता है? बोलो. नहीं नहीं नहीं, कोई बाथरूम है. आजकल तो किचन सिंगर भी बहुत है. सिर्फ बाथरूम क्यों? बाथरूम तो बंद होता है, किचन तो खुला होता है. जो भी आपको, जिस बात में भी आपकी एनर्जी चेंज हो सके. मैंने कहा ना, वॉक करने जाओ, नेचर है. किसी को कोई गेम्स अच्छे लगते हैं वो है, किसी को गीत अच्छा लगता है, किसी को डांस अच्छा लगता है. मैं एक बार सेंट थॉमस में थी तो रेडियो स्टेशन में गई, तो वहाँ पर मुझे नाम नहीं याद है, थोड़ा वो रेडियो स्टेशन चलाते थे. तो जब मैं पहुँची तो झूलेलाल का गीत चल रहा था, तो वो अंदर डांस कर रहा था. झूलेलाल, वो गीत भी चल रहा था, रेडियो में वो डांस भी कर रहा था. ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. आज रात को करेंगे ना भूमि बहन झूलेलाल? राइट. देखो, अपने को खुश रखने के लिए, अपनी एनर्जी को एक्टिव रखने के लिए कई इतनी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें दुनिया में बनी हुई हैं. आर्टिस्टिक, क्रिएटिव. जैसे हम लोग हैं जो स्पिरिचुअल लोग हैं. अभी पहले तो मैं भी बहुत, रासलीला होती है ना, रामलीला नहीं, रासलीला. रामलीला में तो दुख दर्द बहुत है, रासलीला अच्छी होती है. तो अच्छा लगता है बहुत ही. अपने आप ही हाथ उठते हैं, रास करो. फिर कृष्ण भी आ जाता है तो गोपियाँ भी आ जाती हैं. तो मौज का मतलब थोड़ी है कि चलो सिनेमा देखने जाओ. कई मौजें ऐसी होती हैं जो बाद में मुंझा देती हैं. कोई मौजें ऐसी होती हैं जो मुंझा देती हैं, मीन्स make you more confused. जब बाहर आते हैं तो खोए खोए लॉस्ट हो जाते हैं. कोई भी हैबिट ऐसी नहीं जिससे बाद में कुछ, पहले तो खुश हो जाएंगे और बाद में परेशान. Every one of you, whatever your life is, there is a big impact on many others. Don't forget that. चाहे वो आपकी पीढ़ी हैं, whether they are in society or they are in the country. You leave a legacy. कोई मनुष्य अकेला नहीं है, चाहे अच्छा चाहे बुरा. You leave lot of people will always say, she used to say this, she used to like this, she used to. चाहे किसी की नानी दादी, चाहे any relationship. So that's the responsibility of each one of us in this world God has given. Do such that anyone can follow. Don't do anything which if they follow, there is a fall, not rise. इतनी तो responsibility लेंगे ना. If God has brought us in this world, given this gift of life, at least I take this responsibility that whatever, in any way, if I am in college, university, I say I should do well because there are many who will later on be inspired by that. Anything we do it in such a way. I mean, that is their little bit of perfection and accuracy, and that's another subject. Discipline. Some people don't like discipline, but if water was not coming from the tap, you can't drink it. We have a big creek, nobody drinks from here. So water also has to be directed, filtered and directed, and you use it. No? People go to Ganges to bathe and then they come and bathe under tap water because it's clean. Discipline in life is not is very good. It directs your energy, and even with children, we say balance of love and law. Not too much law, nor too much love. So we just gave you 3 words: Khush, Razi, or Mauj. And for that, some of these little things, but never in mind, as soon as a weak thought comes, I don't think it will happen. You're already starting with a doubt. I don't know if it will happen. So your determination is gone. I'm sure it will happen. I am sure. You understand? See how negativity has become. I always say you're starting with doubt. Every line, they think it's humility. I don't think it's humility. You stay in touch with your 7 qualities and think. You will think accurate. One of the quality, you emerge. And the quality of your thought. So here is doubt, here is faith. Faith has strength, right? And doubt is weak. If your thinking is doubtful, the power is already gone, 50%. And if you are doing with faith and trust, power is increasing. So you kind of a checking here with your thoughts. Checking and chatting. You chat with your mind, right? This whole chat box inside is faster than computer chat box. No? Chat, 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 chat. What is that chat? You're sitting quietly but chatting inside. You're not speaking, silence. But inside, is there silence? So chat is, who is chatting with whom? If you give the answer, I will understand that your first lesson in the morning, Dorothy went taught you, you remember that. Who is chatting? Brain and heart. Brain is this and heart is here. Who chats? Huh? Hmm? I, the soul, right? Mind is chatting with whom? There are two main important abilities in you, your mind and your intellect. Karu nahi karu. Should I do, not do? So his mind is saying, oh, get this from the shop. Intellect saying, but you have so much. Why are you buying? Then mind saying, but maybe you will not get it, keep it extra. Intellect said, you will always get. So chat between, remember, mind and intellect. And then you decide, then you do action, that action becomes your sanskar. It goes in deposit. It's little bit surprising. You understand? Who is chatting? So when I sit in meditation, I tell both of them, quiet. Mind and intellect. So if mind doesn't think, intellect has nothing to do. Intellect only has to discern. Like you are, what I am saying, your intellect is understanding now. But mind will still create thoughts. Your intellect will say, but think positive. So now intellect is controlling mind, disciplining mind, right? It has to go inside, not somebody has to tell your mind, don't think, won't listen. Your intellect has to tell your mind, think positive, have faith, be loveful. This is intellect is telling mind, right? So automatically, internally, you will have less thoughts and stillness and silence, and you will become very peaceful. That's what our experience is. That it's a very, we're not controlling, but with knowledge and understanding. Seems enough for today. And yeah, I had a poll. I said, oh, I haven't seen a lot of Sindhis together. Last week in Mount Abu, there were 1,200 Sindhis with very top speakers also. Some were poets and Sindhi singers. And then one evening they only have Sindhi Sandhyas, Sangeet Sandhya. Sindhi Sangeet Sandhya, all songs in Sindhi. It was on YouTube, I was listening. Just once in a while, your own community, even I am not brought up properly because we came to Delhi from Karachi. And after that, you meet Sindhis, but not really in a crowd. And you all should be proud that now is Brahma Kumari is what it was. Woman is a very big organization. You know that. Someone's relative, someone's friend, so it's always there. And so very happy to see you all, and good luck and be God with you both. And I will see you once more before you all leave. And भूमि एक गीत सुना दो. there are two songs which I like. We call this as Sadguru Ki Darbar. You all have come to Sadguru, Baba's home. You know, we call God Baba, Shiv Baba. Brahma Baba is the instrument. And you all are Baba's children, right? So,
Daddy, can I ask you a question?
Pucho.
For a hardcore question, we've been to a lot of satsangs and we appreciate you teaching us about peace, love, prosperity, everything. But especially Sindhi Hindus are never taught how to protect themselves from invaders, from all the bad things they have done. We just run. There's a partition happened, small thing happened, and we just run. We don't protect ourselves. And nobody teaches us what to do in a situation like that. So, any words you can share?
One is the protect, other is protest. Other communities protest, but we don't, right? Because we are people of dignity. We don't demonstrate. You know, this morning someone, I don't know if they are here from New Jersey, they are Sindhi, they are brother, sister, and they listen on Zoom our morning session. And something he said, why don't you petition? I said, our Baba never put petitions. And it's not, see, we are looking for maybe nation or recognition or privileges or rights. But even if we are not known as known community, but majority of the people know what are the good qualities of Sindhi community. So I think that only way is not, we're not going to protest and we are okay, but collective strength of our morality or, there are so many good qualities of Sindhi communities. They will never send their parents to senior citizen. Is there anyone? Very, very good families, when their parents are getting older, we love them. We love our grandparents. We love our parents, right? We feed them properly. It's like Jewish family, they compare Jewish and Sindhis. And there are many who marry also Jewish girls. And so I think I believe that we are people of that dignity and we should maintain our dignity, not do like demonstrations and petitions and things like that. But definitely, collectively, we have to do something maybe which automatically bring our identity more clear and more open. Our identities are like kind of lost behind. I agree with you what you're saying, and we always talk about this lot. But I'm a person, I still feel you have to be just a living example, and if we can do it more collectively, it will have a bigger impact, not only in our society or country. I went to Chile, so the center there are few Sindhi families. So when I went, sister said, oh, today you will get Sindhi food. And I said, who will cook Sindhi food? Oh, we have some Sindhi. And they always, whatever they have to cook, they take also because they don't get Indian stuff here. Patel brothers here, we know them. They called and they said somebody from Chile has come and they know you. And they buy like whole container of dal and rice and masalas and everything. Whichever country I went, There were always Sindhis there. And, Panama they have, every country we have. So we are worldwide, and they do, I know Chicago, I don't know now, they have National Sindhi conference also. Yeah? I haven't heard recently, maybe after COVID, but before I used to get invitation to go. I don't know, I even don't know much Sindhi, but I don't know about children, they know anything. Because mostly they speak, but it's good that they know a little bit of our culture and. So we always, people who believe in God, believe in service to humanity, and we do our really good part in this world, Namaste. So I am proud of Sindhi community. Even as I said, I don't have that much culture, but I remember so many beautiful things when I was with most of them have gone now, but they did so many good things. They fed food to the refugees after partition. They put big pitchers of water whole day for them to, when they're passing, they can drink it. Pyau lagate the. I've seen so many beautiful things. As pados mein, there are 2 dogs, they get 2 rotis. 2 cows, they get 5 rotis. Then we get roti. Those children were supposed to be first, but there are whatever, Brahmin and then dogs and then cats. The cows get, then children get. So we have a culture, but also we are lost now when we have come to different places. We haven't maintained many things. We can look into, find some good things, and maybe start doing that. Maybe not within the family. It's all right, we also running a big organization and we know things, we have to deal with things, but we try to maintain a lot of things in that culture. But also we really don't want to make it like we are separate, we are part of whole humanity. Sindhis always, I don't know whatever reason, there's a joke about Sindhis that inspector went and they wanted to inject, like it was plague or something, disease. And the principal sent all children home. Because he said, no, I don't think they need it. But that must be old story somewhere. Chalo, we pura karte hain. Anyone else wants to comment or say anything? Or?
Silly question. If you
Yeah. इनको माइक दो ना, माइक देंगे तो सब सुन सकते हैं ना.
So, Sindh is our Janam Bhumi and Sindh is our land. And Sindh is a very pavitra land.
थोड़ा नजदीक करो.
Yes. Sindh still is existing and our brothers are still there, though they are converted. And after so many years, hundreds of years, worked on them, their minds, they take them as a separate than the original, means the Sanatanis and Muslims. So why not, and when we have ignored them totally, I don't see any working on their minds to bring back to their, just a ghar wapsi. So this is my complaint.
No,
Thank
it's
you.
not a complaint. You have a very positive thought. See, every thought you create, don't doubt it again as say complaint. Any thought you create, somewhere it will start working. So don't stop even having those thoughts. Do it with a lot of love and sympathy. But I just want to share a news that in Pakistan, there are a lot of Sindhis. So recently, since a few years ago, we started something in Karachi, Hyderabad, but it was very difficult. And then anyway, so sisters, they had to come back. They went from London. But now there are now at least not too many, but we started this on Zoom. So lot of doctors, nurses, there are about 110 of women who listen to the knowledge. And then out of them, some doctors, they are giving to. So we are seeing that how within their minds also that liberation and determination increases. And of course, from when it's from both sides, things will start working. So my good wish is that your thought spreads and brings strength and it could happen. Yes? Oh, you are holding? चलो 3 minute meditation करते हैं.
Bhumi Ben has to sing, Dedi. Bhumi Ben has to sing.
And what about Girish Bhai?
I will sing with her. And after the song, we would love to take a picture with you, Dedi. So we like request everyone after the song finishes, some can come upstairs on the stage next to Didi, and some will be standing here in the front, so that we will take a photo from here for
कहीं भी
as
इधर
a
उधर.
memory.
आ जाओ भूमि. So there are two things they want to do. Bolo, Anjali, you want to? No, you know that after every session we give little toli. We call it toli, you call it prasad. But also we wanted to give a small gift, one for a family, and it's a eternal calendar. That means you don't have to, every year, just keep turning. Bhumi Ben had produced it and everyone will get that gift, and there is some other thing. Plus we have created something very special, is 100 blessing cards in a box. And these blessings are in Hindi and English. And so those who want to give to 100 people, that means your doctor, your friend, like I, Bhumi and I travel and we take 100 from New York up to Delhi, they all finish. Because all the crew comes, pilot come, and they know that we will get our blessing card. It's a very beautiful blessing card, it's Hindi and English. But we only give to those who will serve 100 people. Anyway, Bolo. Yeah. Sure, yeah. Bolo.
Put on the mic. Put it on.
खुश राजी and मौजी मौज.
मौज ही मौज. Okay. So मौज में खड़े हो जाएं. Stand up in मौज. So I'm just going to name the countries. So you stand up as by countries. Sorry. Curacao. Okay. One couple.
या कौन
Dubai.
है? Rita मेरे को खास. Let me see. Yeah. Rita just came. No, she was mentioning about. Yeah. Yeah, I will meet you later.
Dubai.
Dubai.
Dubai Milu Ben.
अच्छा.
Canada. Oh, so many.
कहाँ से? कनाडा में कहाँ से?
So
टोरंटो से. विनिपेग से भी आए हैं.
Anne Ben की बहनें.
Oh, okay.
So they're saying they're adopted Sindhis. Adopted Sindhis.
अच्छा.
Panama.
पैनामा है. एक ही है.
Canada. Canada, I just, okay, sorry. Then the rest is USA. Did I miss any other
can,
country? But
can we have New Jersey stand
New
up?
Jersey stand up. Okay.
Because I heard there are many from there.
Many from New Jersey.
Sheetal has come? No.
She is, yeah.
She's there.
Yeah.
Come,
We have
Sheetal.
Saint Tom. Okay.
Oh, St. Thomas, right. Your daughter? Yes, yes, I know. They all look different every year. Okay, anyone else?
Okay. All of the rest of us all from USA.
And you?
I'm from, huh?
Hmm?
Rest is all from USA.
She's from Boston.
I'm from Boston, Massachusetts, yeah. Huh? India. Yeah. India. Okay, yeah. We have from Massachusetts, South Carolina, Texas, Minnesota. Oh, okay. Massachusetts, stand up. Me, Pankaj Pai is here, yeah. South Carolina. Okay.
साउथ मतलब कनिष्ठ उनके पास
Traffic control ले लो. Shanti. So Texas.
कहाँ से टेक्सास Dallas.
McAllen.
Oh, okay.
McAllen. California. Illinois.
बैठे
Anyone from Illinois?
चलो हो गया
Okay, Lata Ben. Okay. Okay.
शिकागो से
Chicago. And then Maryland. Okay.
हाँ लता है
Yeah. That's it. Om Shanti.
ओके
Minnesota. Okay. Minnesota and New York. Yeah. Minnesota. This is the family from Minnesota. Yeah.
अच्छा इतने सिंधी हैं वहाँ
Many of them are regular Murli students now. New York. Yeah. Next is New York. So Minnesota can sit down. Yeah.
चलो सतगुरु तेरी
मेरे सतगुरु प्यारे दा दरबार बड़ा सोना है मेरे सतगुरु प्यारे दा दरबार बड़ा सोना है इथे दर्शन होंदे हैं दीदार बड़ा सोना है दीदार बड़ा सोना है परिवार बड़ा सोना है मेरे सतगुरु प्यारे दा दरबार बड़ा सोना है मेरे सतगुरु प्यारे दा दरबार बड़ा सोना है मैनू सारे पुछदे हैं मेरे संगी ते साथी जिन्हें एक बार देख ली मेरे सतगुरु दी झांकी किथे ढूंढ के लाना है ये लाल बड़ा सोना है मेरे सतगुरु प्यारे दा दरबार बड़ा सोना है मैनू आपे नहीं मिलिया सतगुरु ने मिलाया है इत्थे मिलने दा मैनू रास्ता सतगुरु ने दिखाया है मेरे सतगुरु प्यारे दा उपकार बड़ा सोना है मेरे सतगुरु
प्यारे राम दरबार बड़ा सोना है
ये मान सरोवर है इथे मोती मिलदे हैं कई जन्म के बिछड़े प्रेमी इस दर्द मिलदे हैं ये घाटे का सौदा नहीं व्यापार बड़ा सोना है मेरे
सतगुरु प्यारे राम दरबार बड़ा सोना है
मेरे सतगुरु प्यारे दी बड़ी शान निराली है इथे रोज दशहरा है इथे रोज दिवाली है इथे तन मन रंग दे दे रंग तार बड़ा सोना है मेरे सतगुरु प्यारे दा दरबार बड़ा सोना है इथे दर्शन होंदे हैं दीदार बड़ा सोना है मेरे सतगुरु प्यारे दा दरबार बड़ा सोना है मेरे सतगुरु प्यारे दा दरबार बड़ा सोना है
Okay, now everyone come on the stage, those who can. So we'll take a picture with Didi.
Just to let you all know what Didi was saying, is this is the calendar. So you just change the date, month, and the day, and it's per family. And this is the blessing pack. We have in English and Hindi. So whichever you want.
जो ऊपर नहीं जा सकते वो आगे चलें।
Leave your shoes where you are. If you're coming up on the stage.
Okay, everyone will get a space. Can we suggest the brothers if they can take off their shoes and they can stand where the sister is standing behind the chair? Okay, if the brothers can stand there, and then mothers who can bend and can sit on the floor will sit behind next to Didi's chair. And then some of you who want to sit here with your shoes on, you can manage to sit here. All right? Shaina, there can be. Okay, so don't worry, everyone will get space. Okay, so yeah. So whoever can sit in the front here, can be in the front. Someone we can hear, but we won't block Didi,
Excuse
okay?
me, I please request, can you keep please little distance
so
from
Didi,
It's
yeah,
because
little
of health.
distance from Didi.
Please keep little distance, please.
Yeah, because Didi's just sort of, because we have all come from everywhere. Okay, we have one space here. If someone wants to move in here. Yeah, okay. Did we leave anyone from the guests who are here?
Tell Arman to come down here.
Who?
He's lost here, Arman.
Yeah.
To come down here.
Arman, you are lost.
Arman, you come here.
You're somewhere here. Don't worry, everyone will get a space. Everyone will get. Are you also, you're part of the retreat, no? So I am thinking, shall we sit on the floor?
Come down.
Yeah. Is anyone else?
Those who want to sit,
Sister,
also they
come.
can sit here.
Yeah. Brothers, can we have few chairs here just in case? You know, the chairs which are from the dining section, from that section is easier. Because, or we can sit on the floor. Ha, theek hai, ye ba theek hai. Okay. I think if you come here a little bit, sister, then everyone will come in there. Come. Okay? Okay. Yeah, हम आ जाएंगे. You're not seen at all. You come here. Yeah, come here. Brother, come and sit here. You can sit here. We'll get everybody in the picture. But the ones who are closest to Didi, they have to move little because Didi is lost from